I mean, is it a problem of young white men? And is that who we need to be targeting to change?
Well, I think the overwhelming number of persons in the hate groups that we have encountered, have been men, have been young white men.
But we've learned in the last 2 years, it doesn't take much to awaken hate, to bring those folks out from under the rocks, that part of American society that's always been there, will always be there. They have been deliberately reawakened again, those forces. It's not an accident. They have been deliberately reawakened again. Unearthed by loose talk, by direct appeals to prejudice from the alt-right. And then something I never thought I would live to see again. Having a president of the United States make a moral equivalence between those who were spreading the hate and those who were opposing it, saying there were, quote, very fine people on both sides. No presidents in the Civil War have ever uttered words like that. We have to challenge these forces of hate and stand up and simply say what the vast majority of Americans agree to. This is not our America. No, we're for real, not applaud. This is not who we are. We have a lot to root out, but most of all, there's systematic racism that most of us whites don't like to acknowledge even exists. We don't even consciously acknowledge it.
Please, sir, I want some more.
But it's been built into every aspect of our system. One thing we know for certain, we've learned it over and over again through history, whether it's the Holocaust or the Civil Rights Movement, silence is complicity.